When was the last time that you were in a sales situation where the prospect was with you, they were excited about whatever you were selling, and you get to a certain point, you know they're ready to buy, and then you finally get ready to ask for the business, and they say something like, man, I need to think about it. What the heck happened? Why is it that so many people get excited and seem like they're ready to buy, but then you get to the end and they don't end up buying? Much of the time, the reason boils down to overselling. Understanding the buying line is extremely important. Top producers understand people love to buy, but they hate to be sold. Closing when someone crosses the buying line helps you serve the prospect and allows him or her to actually buy. How are you supposed to know a customer has crossed over the buying line and into the green zone? Just like a good poker player reads his or her opponent's tells, a top producer knows how to look for the customer's buying signs. Once you see more than one of these buying signs, it's time to stop presenting and start closing. So here are 7 very simple buying signs that you can be paying attention to. Number 1, the customer's asking you a bunch of questions. That is a good thing. Number 2, customer is laughing or giggling a lot. Number 3, a customer has their wallet, pulls it out, or even pulls out their card. What better buying sign is that? A customer is touching their significant other if they're present. A customer is looking at the product closely for a second time. The customer is picking up and reading the paperwork. Or the customer has long personal responses to your open-ended questions. So if you see or experience any of these buying signs, if you get 2 of them, it's time to stop presenting and just close and ask for the business. Hey, is there any reason why we shouldn't take that next step? Or even just do a temperature taking question. Hey, how are we doing so far? Pretty good? Great. Stop overselling and go ahead and close. If you got a little bit of value from this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button.